It's MC Monty in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monty. In this video, I'll be completing my Batman cosplay by painting everything. You will need plasti dip, a dark gray paint, and a black paint. For this paint job, I'm using spray paint. As usual, everything you need is listed in the description below. Gather your supplies. Make sure you have a well-ventilated area. I painted outside, and let's get to it. I started by coating all the armor pieces in plasti dip. I used black plasti dip. I did 2 coats of plasti dip on each piece. Next, I use this matte dark gray Rust-Oleum 2-in-1 paint primer. Remember to wear your mask and protect your lungs. Yeah. I did 2 coats of this Rust-Oleum gray. I primed the batarangs with plasti dip, followed by 1 coat of black Rust-Oleum 2-in-1 primer paint. After everything dries, my armor looked like this. The black batarangs and the gray armor. And I finished the gauntlets by painting these parts silver and the strap that holds them in place black. I also painted the tips of the spikes silver as well. Next, I painted the straps black. I also finished the cowl by using black plasti dip, 1 or 2 coats of black plasti dip, and then finishing it with black spray paint, 1 or 2 coats of black spray paint. When you're done, both gauntlets would look like this. And there you have it. Your paint job is complete. Your Batman cosplay is complete, and I hope you love it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up. Give me that like. Subscribe and stay up with me so you get notified anytime I post a new video tutorial. Leave a comment and let me know how you did. I would love to see some pictures of your work. Follow me on social media, send me a message, and show me your photos. This is my personal artist page, and this is my cosplay page. Now, one thing that you will need to do that I didn't do, but maybe I'll go back and correct it later, to make this totally screen accurate, this part should actually be black, and this part of your shoulder armor should be black as well. So I think I'm going to go back and spray paint this black and use my paintbrush to paint this part black. But overall, I think it came out great, and I love the look. I'll see you next time. Always remember, adventure awaits. So get out into the world and explore. Peace.